Hello friends, welcome to Shravanti's channel. Today I will share with you makeover of an old bangle. Please watch the full video. Your support, love and feedback is valuable for us. Please like my video, share with your friends, subscribe for more videos. Let's start. I am taking here one of my unused old bangle. Glue, kori, muru, old cloth piece and scissor. Now I am wrapping this fabric around the bangle like this. Make sure to wrap the fabric tightly. I am decorating the bangle with kori. I am attaching this kori with the help of needle and thread. You can also use glue. Attach the ghundu and let it dry. Let's have a final look. I have made 2 more bangles using same process. I have used here color ghundu. I have colored it at home with nail polish. If you like this video, please let me know in comment. Thanks for watching.